What up, guys? Just in case you were wondering what a bad bearing sounds like in a Subaru Impreza, this is it. It's in the back, actually. I'm not sure you can pick it up or not, but it's fairly loud. It's back here. Vibration changes whatever speed I'm going, so it really doesn't like 60, 67, 68. There's like a certain frequency it doesn't seem to like, or it resonates through the car, like right now, if you can hear it. These videos seem to be pretty popular too, because a lot of people don't know what the hell that noise is. They think it's the tires, like we had one go already, but it was the driver's side rear. I don't know what it is about rear of these Subarus, but yeah, it's really howling right now. I really don't like to drive it, but I have no choice right now, and hopefully I'll be able to fix it soon, but it is what it is, guys. So you know what? I never really rolled down the window to hear the noise. Let me open the rear. Yeah, it's kind of like a constant just humming. Now, for my car, it doesn't matter if I'm turning left or right. So, like, if I swerve to the left or to the right, in other cars, I've heard that it lessens, like if they go left or if they go right, but mine is just a constant. I don't know if that's a good thing or it's a bad thing. I did drive on it quite a while last time, but that was before I really read about, you know, what the, you know, like a worst case scenario can happen. So it's like I really don't want anything bad to happen, but I don't have a choice. So until next time, guys, I hope this was somewhat informative. And peace out.